Hi, it's Jeff here. They call me Professor Jeffer. That's what Daniel Gibson calls me. Today I want to do a video on some playing methods, specifically on strumming, some basic strumming patterns. A lot of people have been asking about this. So I want to give some basics. I'm going to kind of break this down into you can watch this in a series. We're going to go through. I might do one video or separate videos depending on how long it's going to go. I'm just going to do one long shot and then I'll cut it up if I have to. So first thing I want to do is I want to show you some really basic stuff on 2 or 3 songs that you can use all the time. You can learn some basic quick strumming, then some a little more advanced, and we're going to get to some more complex stuff, okay? The first thing I'd suggest you do when you're going to learn about strumming, and we'll do flat picking afterwards, is get some different picks, okay? These are 3 different thicknesses here. This is a Jim Dunlop 38/3800ths of a millimeter, and this one is a 46. And this one is a 60, I think, okay? So the best thing to do when you want to start learning how to pick is start with, strumming, is start with the 38. It's really thin, it's really flexible, and so it makes it easy to go up and down, okay? It doesn't produce a lot of volume, but that's okay. The goal is to produce strumming. When you learn to strum, you want something that goes up and down really easy. It's flexible, it bends with the strings. Anything thicker is it's good for grabbing going upward, but it's gonna be it's gonna be harder for going down, okay? So start with something really thin. So we're gonna start with something here. And I want to show you, we're going to use the same 3 songs, okay, throughout this series here, because there are 3 that you can use pretty easily, okay? And just 3 chords each. They're really, really easy to do. The goal here is to separate your hands, okay? So, sorry the video's a little fuzzy. I'm trying to show both hands, so it'll be a little kind of blurry depending on where the camera's trying to grab at, but I'm trying to get it so you can see both, okay? The first thing to do is separate your 2 hands. Don't try to do everything with both hands at the same time. Don't try to learn everything. Separate them. So when you're working on doing some fingering, the first thing is work on your fingering. Okay, the first you want to really just learn how to do fingering your 3 chords. You want to do a C chord. You want to learn how to do a G chord. You want to do F chord. I'm not going to teach you all those. Those are easy to find on the internet. I'm going to assume you already know your chords. Okay, so C, G, and F. Sometimes all my C will have a double here, but it's okay. It's just the same 3 general ones, okay? And we're going to learn a D minor too here as well, okay? So, focus on just getting these down, okay? You want to get these transitions down. You don't have to think about it. I'm not looking at my fingers. I'm actually looking at the camera screen right now, and I'm okay. You can hear some kind of bouncing. G, D. Okay, G, D, 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 D. Okay, so that's the first one, is get that done. Practice 10 million times, okay, 50 million times, 100 million times, get it down. Because you don't want to think about that hand, okay? And when you're doing that, you can just do one quick strum. So, D, 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 D. Just strumming down once each time. D, D, D. And you want to get that kind of like a metronome, just kind of get the same beat. You got to work on the beat as well. Rhythm. D, 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 D. Twist it on up and down. Twist it on out. Oh, shake it on, baby, now. Shake it on, baby. Oh, shake it on now. Okay, it's the same thing, and you can do it okay, same thing, always down, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make it a little more complicated. We're going to go up and down, okay, down and up, down, up, down, up. It's just okay, and we're going to do the same kind of beat, okay? Okay, so twist and shout, twist and shout, it's kind of hard. I'm not used to doing it this way, but this is what I want you to work on. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And if you can sing or hum along with it, it's going to make it a lot easier because you're going to hear the beat da-da-da-da, but you got to keep the beat going up and down, down and up, with the same rhythm like a metronome's going. If you're going to have a metronome going off the side, it's going to even force you to do it. But you got to keep that beat, okay? And that's what you need to learn to do with this. So it's, and you can, so just learning this, you want to work on this and just have this very simple, okay? Very simple. One down, just down, 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 then down, up, okay? Don't try to do anything more complicated than when you're working on these fingers with just going down, 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 down. When you get the fingers, when you get this working on here, these fretting fingers down really well, we got it down pat, it's perfect, you know, get your transitions down and you're doing it on the beat, then do the down, up, okay? So we've got through those two steps.